Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the tier carefully so you know how the net is woven and which direction the threads run. Once done, trim only loose fibers and align the edges so they overlap slightly. Thread a fine needle with matching thread and knot securely. Make a 3 mm stitch length test on scrap. You need thin interfacing cut slightly larger than the hole ready to back the repair. Begin stitching immediately to prevent the tier from enlarging further. You now sew the tier closed using small ladder or whip stitches that mimic the net's weave so the repair blends. Make even stitches about 2-3 mm apart and add a small backstitch every 1/2 inch to lock tension. This prevents runs. Once the edges hold, place the interfacing patch behind the seam and fix with a dab of fabric glue or a quick low-heat fuse using a pressing cloth. Make sure the patch sits flat and does not stiffen the dress excessively. Finish by trimming stray threads and tie hidden knots on the wrong side so nothing shows. Then gently steam the area to relax the net and let the weave settle around the repair. Do not iron directly. If you see puckering, undo a few stitches and resew with looser tension, because too tight stitching distorts the mesh. For very large holes that weaken the garment, add a second patch or consult a tailor skilled with delicate fabrics to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.